Welcome to the future, a future where robots are no longer confined to factories or assembly lines. We're witnessing a robotic revolution that's reshaping the way we live, work, and interact. Once seen as tools of mass production, robots have now become an essential part of our daily lives. From assisting in the home to performing delicate surgeries, robots are everywhere, and they're transforming the world as we know it. Imagine waking up to a home where a robot makes your morning coffee, while another one ensures your commute to work is safer than ever. This is no longer science fiction, it's the new reality, and it's evolving faster than we ever imagined. The journey from industrial automation to personal robotics has been remarkable, but we're only at the beginning. In this video, we'll explore how robots are becoming an integral part of our everyday life, from home assistants to life-saving medical robots. The future of automation is here, and it's closer than you think. Robots aren't just for factories anymore. In fact, many of us already have robots in our homes, and they're changing how we live. Take robotic vacuums, for example. These smart devices have taken over one of the most mundane household chores, cleaning the floor. But it doesn't stop there. Smart kitchens, robot lawnmowers, and even window cleaning robots are transforming everyday tasks into automated conveniences. Imagine coming home to a robot that not only cleans but prepares your meals. From flipping burgers to brewing your morning coffee, kitchen robots are making cooking simpler, faster, and smarter. Robots are also playing a crucial role in elderly care and support. These companions assist with medication reminders, physical therapy, and even provide companionship to those living alone. Home automation is about more than convenience. It's about improving quality of life. Robots are creating smarter, safer, and more efficient living environments. And with AI-driven technology, they're learning to anticipate our needs before we even ask. From cleaning and cooking to caregiving, domestic robots are becoming an essential part of our homes. And as technology advances, the possibilities for home automation are limitless. In the next chapter, we'll look at how robots are revolutionizing another aspect of our daily lives: transportation. The future of transportation is here, and it's autonomous. Self-driving cars, once a concept of science fiction, are becoming a reality on our roads today. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are pioneering the development of autonomous vehicles that can safely transport us from point A to point B, all without a human driver behind the wheel. These vehicles are designed to reduce human error, improve road safety, and even ease traffic congestion. Imagine a world where your car drives you to work while you relax, read, or catch up on the news. And it's not just personal transportation that's evolving. Delivery robots and drones are changing the way goods are transported. Companies are deploying robots to deliver groceries, packages, and even restaurant meals efficiently and contact-free. On a larger scale, autonomous trucks are revolutionizing logistics and freight transport. These driverless vehicles can operate 24/7, reducing the time it takes to move goods across the country while lowering transportation costs. From self-driving cars to delivery robots, autonomous transportation is poised to change the way we move around cities and how goods are delivered to our doorsteps. The goal? A safer, faster, and more efficient transportation network. The future of transportation is autonomous, and as the technology advances, we're just beginning to see the incredible impact it will have on our everyday lives. In the next chapter, we'll dive into how robotics is saving lives in the medical field. Robots aren't just changing our homes and transportation, they're saving lives. In the world of healthcare, robotics is revolutionizing the way we diagnose, treat, and care for patients. Robotic-assisted surgery is one of the most groundbreaking advancements in modern medicine. Systems like the Da Vinci allow surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with unparalleled precision, reducing recovery time, pain, and the risk of complications. But it's not just about surgery. Rehabilitation, robots, are helping patients regain mobility after injuries or strokes. offering personalized therapy that adapts to the patient's progress. Advances in robotic prosthetics are giving people back their independence. Today's prosthetic limbs are more intuitive and lifelike than ever before, using sensors and robotics to mimic natural movement. And robots aren't just assisting doctors, they're also supporting nurses and healthcare staff. In hospitals, robots are being used to deliver medication, transport supplies, and even monitor patients, allowing human caregivers to focus more on patient care. From precise surgeries to robotic prosthetics and hospital helpers, the role of robotics in healthcare is expanding rapidly. These innovations are improving outcomes, reducing costs, and making medical care more accessible. As robotic technology continues to evolve, the future of healthcare will become even more efficient, precise, and patient-centered. In the next chapter, we'll explore the rise of social and educational robots, companions and teachers of the future. Robots aren't just tools, they're becoming companions and teachers. As social and educational robots continue to evolve, they are playing an increasingly important role in our daily lives. Social robots, like Pepper, are designed to interact with people in meaningful ways. Whether they're answering questions in stores, assisting in customer service, or providing companionship for the elderly, these robots are helping to bridge the gap between technology and human interaction. In education, robots are becoming powerful tools to engage and teach children. Educational robots, like Cosmo, introduce kids to STEM concepts, helping them learn programming, problem-solving, and creativity through play. These robots are also proving to be valuable for children with special needs. By providing a non-judgmental and patient companion, robots can help children practice social skills and communication in ways that traditional teaching methods may not. Social robots are also becoming companions in homes, especially for the elderly. They provide reminders for medication, offer entertainment, and even help reduce feelings of loneliness by engaging in simple conversations. Imagine a future where robots are a part of every classroom, assisting teachers with personalized lessons and helping students learn at their own pace. These educational assistants could provide support that adapts to the needs of each individual student. As social and educational robots become more sophisticated, their role in our lives will continue to grow. These robots are not just machines, they're companions, caregivers, and teachers, enhancing how we learn and connect. Up next, we'll explore how robotics is transforming agriculture and food production. Feeding the world's growing population is one of humanity's greatest challenges, and once again, robots are stepping in to help. From planting crops to harvesting them, robotics is transforming agriculture. Autonomous tractors are leading the charge in agricultural automation. These self-driving machines can work day and night, increasing productivity while reducing the need for human labor in difficult conditions. Robots are also being used to monitor crops. Drones equipped with sensors and cameras can fly over vast fields, providing farmers with real-time data on soil health, moisture levels, and crop growth. This helps farmers make more informed decisions, leading to higher yields and more efficient farming. Harvesting robots are another breakthrough in agriculture. These machines can pick fruits and vegetables with speed and precision, ensuring that produce is handled delicately and efficiently. This not only reduces labor costs, but also minimizes waste during the harvest. Precision farming is being revolutionized by robotics. Robots can plant seeds at exact depths and intervals, optimizing the use of resources like water and fertilizers. This results in healthier crops and a more sustainable way to farm. Looking ahead, robotics could be key to urban and vertical farming, where space is limited. Robots could manage entire indoor farms, controlling everything from planting to watering to harvesting, ensuring food security in densely populated areas. With robots working alongside farmers, we're not just improving efficiency, we're helping secure the future of food production for a growing world. As robotics continues to advance, our farms will become smarter, more sustainable, and more productive than ever before. In the next chapter, we'll explore the ethical challenges that come with this robotic revolution. As robots become more integrated into our everyday lives, new questions are emerging. How should we navigate the relationship between humans and robots? The rise of robotics comes with a unique set of ethical challenges. One of the biggest concerns is privacy. Robots in homes, hospitals, and workplaces may collect massive amounts of personal data. Who controls that data, and how can we ensure it's protected from misuse? In healthcare, for example, robots can monitor patients and share real-time data with doctors, improving care. But this also raises questions about consent and the security of sensitive medical information. Then, there's the issue of job displacement. As robots take over more tasks, from manual labor to customer service, how will the workforce adapt? Will automation create new jobs, or will it leave millions unemployed? Another concern is how robots affect our social interactions. Can we develop meaningful relationships with robots? And what happens when robots start to mimic human emotions? Could this lead to a blurring of lines between real and artificial relationships? Ethical dilemmas also arise in caregiving roles, where robots may replace human caregivers. While they can offer constant support, can they truly provide the emotional understanding that humans need? And should we allow robots to make life-altering decisions in such contexts? As robotics technology continues to evolve, governments and organizations are working to create ethical guidelines and regulations. The goal is to ensure that robots benefit society without compromising our privacy, security, or humanity. The ethical challenges posed by robotics are complex, but addressing them now will help shape a future where humans and robots coexist harmoniously. In the final chapter, we'll explore what the future holds for robotics as they continue to advance into every corner of our lives. The future of robotics is closer than you think. What was once the stuff of science fiction is rapidly becoming reality, and soon, robots will be part of every aspect of our lives. In the not-so-distant future, we may see humanoid robots capable of handling complex tasks, cleaning your home, managing your schedule, and even helping you with personal care. These robots will be equipped with advanced AI, learning and adapting to your unique preferences. AI-powered robots will take personalization to a new level, offering tailored advice, whether it's about your health, fitness, or daily routine. Imagine a world where robots can anticipate your needs before you even express them. Cities will also see a transformation. From managing public services to delivering groceries, robots will become an integral part of how urban spaces operate. Autonomous transportation systems, smart deliveries, and even robot-controlled infrastructure will make cities more efficient and safer. Robots will also play a critical role in space exploration and colonization. Humanoid robots could assist astronauts on missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, performing tasks that would be too dangerous or difficult for humans. Looking ahead, robots will continue to evolve, becoming more autonomous and intelligent. Advances in machine learning and AI will allow robots to improve over time, learning from experience to make smarter decisions. We may even see the rise of robots that can repair themselves, ensuring they're always operational. But with these advancements come challenges. How will society adapt to a world where robots are deeply integrated into our personal and professional lives? What will be the role of humans in a highly automated world? The future of robotics is bright, filled with possibilities we can only begin to imagine. As robots continue to take on new roles, they will shape not just our daily routines, but the future of humanity itself. The question is, are we ready to embrace this robotic future? We've seen how robots are already transforming every aspect of our world, from the way we clean our homes to how we produce food and even care for the sick. The robotic revolution is underway, and it's accelerating. As robots become more capable, they'll continue to improve our lives in ways we can't yet fully imagine. But with this incredible progress comes responsibility. We must navigate the ethical challenges, protect privacy, and ensure that robots work for us, not replace us. The future of robotics isn't about robots replacing humans. It's about creating a world where humans and robots can work together, enhancing our abilities, improving safety, and making everyday tasks easier. Whether it's in our homes, our workplaces, or even in outer space, robots will play a critical role in shaping the future. The possibilities are limitless, and the question now is not if, but how we will embrace this robotic revolution. The future is here, and it's robotic. Let's embrace it, responsibly, thoughtfully, and with a vision of how robots can help us build a better world.